38-inch mud tires blaring down the highway, two-way horns yelling, get up out of my way. Got 'em full lift in a log house, black smoke rolling when the hammer's down. But I couldn't believe it, first time that I seen the driver of that truck about to knock me to my knees. Cowboy boots and cowboy hat, pretty as can be. Oh, that girl's country, she drives a bigger truck than me. She became my girl from that point there, and we were headed down to Jeff County Fair. Sled pulls, tough trucks, bulls and broncs, so we pulled into that parking lot. Well, I couldn't believe it, first time that I seen the driver of that truck about to knock me to my knees. Cowboy boots and cowboy hat, pretty as can be. Oh, that girl's country, she drives a bigger truck than me. My buddies, they were all standing around when we pulled our trucks into that fairground. They just about fell to their knees, 'cause it was plain to see. They couldn't believe it, the first time that they'd seen the driver of that truck about to knock them to their knees. Cowboy boots and cowboy hat, pretty as can be. Oh, that girl's country, she drives a bigger truck than me. Oh.